Hi, this video covers how to install a downloaded plugin like Custom AI Chatbot, and if you've never done that before. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to plugins in your admin space, and you'll see up here at the very top, add new plugin. Then it's going to say replace that with upload plugin. So you're going to hit this button rather than typically you'd go down here and to the at the plugin store, load it, and you're going to upload plugin. You're going to choose a file. So the plugin comes in as a zip file, and just go navigate to wherever you stored it. Most likely it's going to be in the downloads folder. You're going to click it. You're going to open it. Now it's got the file. It's going to click on the button install now. Now it's going to ask you if it's installed successfully. Activate it. And there it is, all installed, ready to go. Next step is to set up the configuration, so please watch my separate video on the details of configuring the Custom AI Chatbot. Let me know if you have any questions.